What a wonderful world.
What's up everyone, welcome to another day in my life vlog. I keep getting so many requests from you all to do more vlogs, so which is why I thought I'll do this. And today I also want to share like my last 90 days challenge routine. If you're completely clueless as to what that challenge is, please watch this video. I've explained in detail about the challenge, and if you haven't already, you can definitely join me even now. So one of my 5 to thrives from the last 90 days challenge is to actually work out every day. So initially I started off with like walking and jogging because I wasn't aware that our apartment gym was actually open. So I just ended up going for a walk or a jog early in the morning. It was actually beautiful, but honestly I always prefer the gym. I love the gym. Once I got to know that the gym was open to use, so that's what I did. I started working out at the gym. It's just been 3-4 days, that's it. I couldn't vlog a lot because there was someone there and it was getting a bit awkward, but I do have few clips from the mornings, so cue that. Another thing from my 5 to thrive is to dance every day. So right after my workout, I continue with my dance practice. I don't have a set dance practice routine. I actually should, because then I end up wasting a lot more time. So I should probably figure out a routine soon. For now, I'm just working a bit on my flexibility, strength, and of course, dancing, choreographing. I'm also posting a lot of reels and dance related reels. Please do follow me on my Instagram and you can watch the things that I'm practicing for in this vlog. It'll probably be up next week. By the time my dance practice gets over, I'm pretty hungry and tired, of course. So I come home and then I have a light breakfast. I don't have a heavy breakfast because if you watched my quarantine related vlogs and routine videos, you know that I always skip breakfast because I just don't feel like it and I wake up late. But now because of my new routine, I've started waking up earlier, and of course I'm doing a lot of physical exertion early in the morning, so I need a bit of food. I still don't have like the appetite for like a full all-out breakfast, so I just had like 2 slices of bread toast. Then of course I had to do my jhadu pocha ka routine every day, so you can actually see how my morning is pretty much physically taxing. But yeah, after my jhadu pocha, I take a nice hot shower. That's when my body relaxes, that's when I relax. I like how by the time it's like noon, I'm literally done with more than half of my 5 to thrives. That puts me at ease and I feel much better about the day. But yeah, right now I'm actually just going to watch a BTS virtual exhibition. For those of you who don't follow me on my Instagram, you probably don't know that this weekend I actually attended a virtual BTS concert. It's a paid concert and it was freaking epic. It was amazing. So yeah, part of that concert ticket is also the exhibition. It's happening right now, and after lunch I need to plan a lot of things that I hope happens soon. I don't know. And I also have to shoot another video. I have to edit this video. It's basically a very packed day. So now I'm just going to watch the BTS exhibition. And it's also Jimin's birthday. This is such a cute message on Weverse. Oh, okay. Are you kidding me? Wow, what a fail. So apparently they have some maintenance going on their app and website. So exhibition is not happening now. I will probably get on with my Korean vocab revision and learning. Nai, 화장실, 성물, 기타, 우유. Okay, now I'll be having my lunch. It's been a while since you last saw me. I was basically learning Korean. I finished that. After that, I had a quick lunch, and now I'm just going to put on some makeup to start my shoot. I'm not liking the weather, honestly speaking. It's very gloomy. Just now, I think thoda sunlight aa raha hai. Otherwise, it was very, very dark outside. So I just feel very sleepy and tired and exhausted right now. And to add to that, I did not even get enough sleep today. I think slept by 2:30 and I woke up at 7:30. So yeah, just all in all, I don't feel like my energy is where I'd like it to be, especially when I'm shooting. But it's okay. I think I feel better every time I vlog. So I'm gonna get energy from the camera from all of you. Yeah, I'm just going to put makeup now and start shooting. Even though I have like a separate vanity drawer, which you might already know if you watched my wardrobe tour video, I still prefer to have like the daily wear makeup stuff in this cute little box which I keep in the washroom. That's when I do my makeup. Wow, I got all my makeup. I didn't get any of my brushes. Ta-da! Okay, I completely forgot to apply lipstick. Thoda hai lipstick from morning when I went to the gym. I love wearing lipstick anywhere, wherever, however. But yeah, it's faded a bit, so I'll just reapply it or apply something else. Let's see. Okay, which lipstick to apply? I think I feel like, yep, I love this color. Okay, it's definitely darker than what I expected, but still cute. I like it. I think I'll just change the top and be back. Oh, sorry, be back. I forgot it's a mirror. Be back. I'm ready. I don't think this headband necessarily matches this top, but we're just going to go ahead with it, okay? So yeah, now I'll be shooting that video. I can't really share behind the scenes because I will be shooting it on this camera. Either ways, I'll see you guys after the shoot.
2 hours later.
What's up everyone? I don't know if you realize it's a different camera I'm using. I'm using my phone. That's because my camera here has some issues. I'm not really sure what it is. I'm trying to figure it out. None of my SD cards are working. I can't record anything suddenly out of the blue. I was honestly really put off, but then I was like, you know what, I'll just vlog on my phone. Anyways, I was just planning my week out. I was actually doing something on Asana. Now for my long-time subscribers, you know what Asana is. It's an app come website that helps you manage your projects, manage teams if you have any. So that's where I plan all my YouTube content and stuff. And many times I've been asked this question, like how I use it, what I do in it. So I thought I'll just give you all a very quick look into how I use Asana. So this is my main homepage. These are the two most used calendars. This is the main one actually, the content master schedule. But yeah, these are my most used ones. These are other calendars that I don't individually use, but they're still important, which you'll understand in a bit. So you can see edit, script, shoot. These are the three important ones. Now when I go to content master schedule, so I'm just taking you all back to July 2020. You would have already seen all these videos. As you can see, it's all color coded. The blue is for scripting. That's where the scripting calendar which I showed in the homepage comes in handy. That's why I need these calendars separately. I don't individually go into that calendar. Mainly I just use the content master schedule. Yellow is for shoot. The purple one is for editing. And the red one is like the published dates. Once I'm done with scripting, I just put a check mark, check mark, check mark. And if I haven't done something, I will just move it to the next day. I like the color-coded approach because just from one glance, I know which day I'm supposed to edit, which day I'm supposed to shoot. To explain it to you even better, let's say December 1st, I want to upload a vlog. Okay, I type that in. Now you can see there's no color in it. That's because I have to click on this. There's a plus sign here. I click on that, and here I'll put the red one because it's the day I want to upload. And now when you see, it's already red. And Wednesday is my upload date, so I'm just moving it there. Now, of course, I need to, let's say, edit it the previous day. Click on that, click on the plus sign here. I'm editing it, so I'm putting edit and it's purple. And that's pretty much it. And once you're done with it, check it off. There are, of course, like 100 more features than this. I'm just showing you the very basic. You can add whatever description you want. You can even add a subtask. So maybe for the shoot, I need to wash hair. That could be one subtask. Maybe charge camera. And yeah, once you're done with that, again, you can check it off. So that's how all of this works. And if you want to share this project or this file or this calendar with someone, you can simply just assign it to that email ID. Of course, even they have to be using Asana. It need not even be for content creation. You can use it for studying. You can use it to organize any part of your life, even fitness. I hope that quick tutorial helps you in any way possible. I'm still vlogging on my phone. As you guys can see, my camera is there. I am not in the best of moods, honestly speaking, because of the camera issue. I think there's an issue with the camera, so I might have to get it serviced. For that, I have to go on the weekend, and then I can't upload the next video on Saturday. So I'm just sad about that, honestly. But these are just really small things on a large scheme of life, so I'm just going to let it go for now. I can't do anything. At least I have this phone to vlog, so it's all chill. So now I'll be having dinner, but before that, I thought I will finish the last thing off my checklist of 5 to Thrive from the last 90 days challenge, which is gratitude. So I have this notebook that I use for my gratitude practices. So every day for the next 90 odd days, I have to jot down 10 things that I'm grateful for that particular day. But there have been days, I'm not gonna lie where I missed one day, but what I did was the next day itself, I would in the morning write down 10 things of the previous day. So it sort of makes up for the day I missed because I technically didn't miss that day. So yeah, that's what happened. Even now, yesterday I was too sleepy to like get up from my bed. So I didn't write it, but I did do it in the mornings. Now I'm going to jot down 10 things I'm grateful for today. Even though I had slightly sucky shoot day, I'm still going to be grateful for all the things that worked. And this exercise really forces you to look on the bright side and just puts you in a better mood, at least according to me. Insta fam already knows this is my bullet journal. This is where I track all my 5 to thrives. I don't think I've ever shared it here on YouTube. So yep, this is how my 5 to thrive tracker looks. I've only done it for the month of October for all my 5 habits. But yeah, this is how it is. I've mentioned all my 5 to thrives here. There's corresponding stickers according to whatever I'm tracking. The days I've missed, I've actually encircled them. So that's only one day. I did mention on Instagram I had a horrible headache, so I couldn't wake up. But yeah, other than that, everything looks good. I will be checking off 13 learned today, and then for gratitude you can see that I haven't checked off 12th, which was yesterday. I did it today morning, so now that I've finished it, I'm going to check both of them off. This is literally the most satisfying part. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, with vlogs I have no idea if it's a good vlog or bad vlog because I have to edit it to understand in the end, like if it's boring, if it's not boring. I hope this was not boring. I know my energy level was a little down, but that's just life, right? It's fine. Either ways, if you did enjoy it, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up, or you can even say something in the comment section. I'm super happy with how the 90-day challenge 5 to thrive turned out today. Comment down below if you've joined with me in this challenge and let me know how it's going for you. It's just been 13-14 days, but yeah, still many more days to go. Let's do this together. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram because every single day I keep posting something related to this and I keep sharing all your posts on my stories, so we just keep each other accountable and motivate each other. That's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
What a wonderful world.